upbeat music plays, the screen shows the channel logo, Buy Smart. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning. That's right, we're pitting the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop against the Gorfinty Steam Mop, a battle of epic proportions. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk money. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, while the Gorfinty Steam Mop comes in at $139. Reviewers appreciate the Bissell for its effective cleaning and versatility, indicating that it offers great value for pet owners. On the other hand, Gorfinty users highlight its affordability and versatility, making it a budget-friendly option. So if you're looking to save $5, Gorfinty's your guy. But hey, it's not always about the price, right? It's about what you get for that hard-earned cash. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with its 1,500 watts of steam fury. Reviewers have noted that it effectively cleans old linoleum floors and tile counters, drying quickly without the need for cleaning products. Meanwhile, Gorfinty also promises to kick 99.9% of stubborn stains to the curb with its high-temperature cleaning. Users have praised its power and effectiveness across various surfaces, emphasizing its ability to clean without harsh chemicals. Both can do the job well, but which one will have you saying, "Wow, my floors are so clean I could eat off them"? Next up, versatility. The Bissell is like that friend who can do it all. It's a 2-in-1 steam mop that tackles messes on the floor and above, with 13 tools for all your pet messes. Reviewers love the angled brush attachment for grout cleaning. Meanwhile, Gorfinty is a 10-in-1 powerhouse. Users rave about its versatility for everything from cleaning grout to ironing shirts, making it a true multitasker. If you want to tackle everything in your home, Gorfinty might be the way to go. Let's get hot. The Bissell takes 30 seconds to heat up, which some users find a bit slow. However, they appreciate its consistent performance once heated. Gorfinty, on the other hand, heats up in just 20 seconds. Reviewers have noted this quick heat-up time as a major plus, making Gorfinty the better choice for those who can't wait to start cleaning. So if you're impatient like me, Gorfinty has the upper hand here. Now, let's talk about cord length. The Bissell has a 25-foot cord, which is great for larger spaces. Reviewers appreciate this extended reach for cleaning without the hassle of switching outlets. Gorfinty, on the other hand, has a 23-foot cord. While slightly shorter, users have found it sufficient for most cleaning tasks. So basically, you can't go wrong here, unless you're trying to clean the neighbor's house without them knowing. After all these comparisons, reviews suggest that the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a versatile and effective cleaning solution, while the Gorfinty Steam Mop stands out for its affordability, quick heating, and multifunctional capabilities. Both products receive positive feedback, but cater to slightly different needs. So after all this steamy comparison, which mop should you buy? If you're a pet owner and want a solid 2-in-1 cleaner with a bit of a philanthropic twist, the Bissell should be your choice. But if you're looking for versatility and speed, Gorfinty might just take the crown. Either way, you can't go wrong with either of these cleaning machines. Just remember, no matter which one you choose, your floors will end up cleaner than a germaphobe's kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic comparisons. And let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart.